On this episode of Travel Just Cuz, we take the DFDs mini cruise from Oslo to Copenhagen. After exploring Oslo for a couple of days, we changed things up by taking an overnight cruise to spend one day in Copenhagen.
How are you?
Can we go straight to our cabins?
Of course, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, okay, perfect.
Here's a little tour of our room. There's a couch, there's a little desk. There's actually 3 of us staying here, so this room has 3 beds. That top bunk over here, and then a top and lower bunk over here.
A few moments later.
When you unfold the bed, you get towels, pillows, and a blanket. The bathroom's pretty standard for a cruise ship. There's a toilet, sink, toilet paper, and some soap. The shower also has some shampoo and soap. There's a little shower head on top here. It's a little tight, but it's cruise ship size. Overall, not bad. Here's a quick tour of the ship. There's a duty-free shop on board that sells anything from clothes, jewelry, to liquor. The ship has a small arcade on board. There's also a pool and hot tub, but they weren't open on this cruise. This is the main bar. There's a disco where you can order food and drinks, and this is also where the nighttime entertainment's held. There's also a coffee shop. This happens to be the seafood restaurant. There's also a pizzeria and a steakhouse. The coffee shop and bars also have budget-friendly food.
What are you doing?
Overall, our experience on board was great. You could always take the hour flight to Copenhagen, rather than the 17-hour boat ride, but then you'd be missing this. If you found this video helpful or would like more content like this, please like and subscribe.